Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine in your health and spirit. Students, as you know, today onwards we are going to start our revision section. So we have already revised our 3 poems and you have written the answers also very well. Today we are going to revise our first chapter of Flamingo. The name of the chapter, The Last Lesson. It is very ironical. Whenever we are seeing the chapter 1 is the last lesson, हमको लगता है कि संडे के बाद सैटरडे आया, सैटरडे के बाद संडे आया. First chapter is the last lesson, but it is not like that. The last lesson is not for ours, it is for the people of France. As you know, the story of the last lesson is at the time when there was a war between France and Germany. And it was the day where Germany won over the France, and in France they have decided that in some district they have to learn German instead of French language. And so this is the day where they are having their last lesson of French. So here the story starts with the boy Franz. ये जो सारी स्टोरी है we have to listen through the mouth of Franz. जो फ्रेंड्स नाम का लड़का है जो स्कूल में पढ़ता है, he is going to the school, but on that day, the particular morning, he was very upset. क्योंकि उसके टीचर ने उनको बोला है कि the day they have to give the test on participle, but he had not learned it properly. So first he decided not to go school, but at last, after thinking so many times, he is going to school. But when he was going towards the school, he had noticed that near the town hall, which is coming in between, there were so many peoples gathering, and they were going to read something on the notice board. At that time, it was the habit that whatever the news regarding the war, they are going to publish that news over the bulletin boards. So one of the person who was living nearby him, he is saying, the Iron Man, that you have not to worry to go to school and you have not to go in a hurried manner. But he did not pay the attention and he went to school. But when he entered the school, he had noticed some change in the school. जनरली क्या होता है कि स्कूल जब शुरू हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो तो ऑलरेडी लेट था, तब स्कूल में बहुत सी आवाज़ें आती है. But he noticed that when he entered the school, it was as silent as Sunday morning. क्योंकि संडे में तो स्कूल बंद रहता है, वहाँ कोई हल्ला गुल्ला नहीं रहता. तो वो नोटिस करता है कि आज स्कूल कितनी शांत है, जस्ट लाइक संडे मॉर्निंग. When he entered the class, his teacher Mr. Hamel, जो बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, तो उसको डर लगता था कि मैं लेट हूँ, टीचर मुझे क्या बोलेंगे. बट टीचर ने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला और शांति से उसको बोला, जस्ट यू सीट एट योर प्लेस. और जब वो बैठता है अपने क्लास में अपनी जगह पे, ही नोटिस्ड दैट सो मेनी विलेजर्स वर ऑल्सो सिटिंग ओवर द लास्ट बेंचेस ऑफ द क्लास. उसको थोड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ, वाई दिस विलेजर्स आर सिटिंग ओवर देयर. उसमें उसके गांव के जो मुखिया थे वो भी वहाँ पे बैठे थे. When and at last the class started, Mr. Hamel told them that today he is going to teach them the last lesson, because after the victory of Germany, the German government had decided to teach you German instead of French. And so he told that this is the last lesson of French language. Now he understood that why villagers are there. वो आए थे अपने राष्ट्र प्रेम दिखाने के लिए और अपना प्रेम व्यक्त करने के लिए, वो टीचर के लिए जिन्होंने वहाँ 40 इयर्स तक सर्विस की थी. So villagers were also sitting there. एंड ऑल वर वेरी काम। वो थोड़े डल मूड में थे, वो उदास थे, क्योंकि आज से उनको उनकी लैंग्वेज में सिखाया नहीं जाएगा। मिस्टर हेमल आस्क्ड हिम द क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग पार्टिसिपल, लेकिन वो उसका आंसर नहीं दे पाया। और जनरली क्या होता था कि जब बच्चे आंसर नहीं देते थे तो टीचर से, उनके रूलर से थोड़ी सी मार भी पड़ती थी, लेकिन आज टीचर ने कुछ नहीं बोला। इंस्टेड ही हैड स्टार्टेड टू टीच देम फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज वेरी नाइसली। कुछ फ्रेंच प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी उनको वो सिखाने लगे, जो जिसको पूरे क्लास को बोलना था, लाइक एबी, आबा, बाबा, लाइक दैट। सो द होल क्लास इज गोइंग टू रिसाइट ओवर द टीचर। In this way the class is over. After that also they were having that grammar class, their history class, but always the teacher is very calm. वो भी शायद बहुत उदास थे। They were also hearing the sound of the German soldiers who are coming in their village. When the teacher was teaching them, the boy फ्रेंड्स जो हमको अपनी कहानी सुनाता है, उसका ध्यान जाता है विंडो के बाहर। वो तो नेचुरल है, आपके लिए भी वो तो नेचुरल है। तो फिर सम पिजियंस वर कुकिंग देयर, और उसको सुन के फ्रेंड्स को लगता है कि ये लोग हमारी भाषा तो बदलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट डू दे एबल टू टीच पिजियंस जर्मन लैंग्वेज? क्या वो पिजियंस को जर्मन लैंग्वेज में गाना गाने के लिए बोल सकते हैं? नो, द एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, दे आर अबाव ऑल द लैंग्वेज डिस्टेंसेस। सो ही इज गोइंग टू थिंक द टीचर इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव देम द एडवाइस that though it is not going to teach in the school, but you have to love your language. क्योंकि वो समझाते हैं कि हमारी जो लैंग्वेज है वही हमारी स्वतंत्रता की निशानी है। इट इज़ द की ऑफ द प्रिजन। अगर प्रिजन में से हमको कैद में से बाहर निकलना है, अपने राष्ट्र प्रेम दिखाना है, अपनी राष्ट्रभक्ति दिखानी है, देन वी हैव टू यूज़ आवर ओन लैंग्वेज। And at last the class is going to end. The teacher is in a very dull mood. Though he was wearing very nice dress, it is also noticed by friends. जब वो क्लास में एंटर हुआ था, उसने नोटिस किया था कि आज उसका जो टीचर है वो जनरली जो सिंपल ड्रेस में होते हैं, आज वो संडे ड्रेस में था। उसने एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ग्रीन कलर का ड्रेस पहना हुआ था, शायद क्योंकि वो उसका आखिरी लेसन था। और एट लास्ट ही इज़ नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग, बट ही राइट्स ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड, दैट इज़ द लॉन्ग लिव फ्रांस, एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू लीव द स्कूल। सो हियर आवर स्टोरी एंड्स। बट वन गुड थिंग इज़ फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स, I have find out one video clip where the whole story is going to be picturized. And after this session you are going to see that little bit short film regarding the last lesson. So see and enjoy the movie. Try to get the meaning of the dialogues, because now story you know, so it is easier for you to understand the dialogues. And meanwhile you can get the practice also of listening English movies. So go through it, and if you have not written the question answer, I am going to send one PDF with this video. So those who have not written, they have to write the question answers and send the pics. Thank you students.
Why aren't you in school, you little imp?
Oh, I'm too big to go to school. Besides, I don't know my lesson. Is there more bad news?
You'll find out soon enough. Now run along to school.
But Victor...
Never mind. Today you better be in school. There, you're late already. Now run. Run.
Go to your seat quickly, Francois. We were beginning without you.
What's the matter with him today?
Come in, Victor.
I thought today you wouldn't mind if I...
Others have come before you. My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin that we are no longer to be French. After today, only German is to be taught in our schools. The German master is on his way here. And when he arrives, I shall leave you. This is the last lesson in our own language. I want you all to be very attentive. The first form will begin with their letters. Ready? Aber.
Aber, over, ibi, obo, über, ama, imli, omo, ulu, ada, idi, odo, udu.
Excellent.
Will they make them sing in German? Even the pigeons?
Let us go to the lesson on participles and infinitives. Francois. The rule for the participle.
When the present participle follows the verb
To be.
to be. When the present participle follows the verb to be, it is like an adjective.
You'll know it. I never could learn that rule myself.
It is.
It agrees like an adjective.
It agrees like an adjective. And
You don't have to go on, Francois. And do not blame yourself. It is we, the older ones, who are really at fault. Every day we've said to ourselves, we have plenty of time. We can do it tomorrow. That was a great trouble with France. She has put off learning her lessons until tomorrow. Lessons far more important than the rule for the participle. And now it's too late. They have taken our country away from us. Madeleine, The German master will soon be here. You wouldn't want him to see you cry. We will not have our lesson in reading today, but you must go on with your reading at home after I'm gone. Because when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. I shall read to you some words that were written by Victor Hugo. As long as there is a Frenchman alive, these words will live. In times like these, let us not despair. For to despair is to desert France. The friends of our oppressors tell us that liberty is dead. Why do you cling to hope, they ask. Why, indeed? Have they forgotten that we're Frenchmen? That freedom is our birthright? That life without liberty is living death? From within the deep shadows of this present, watch the French people. Their leaders have mouthed the words of surrender, which find no echo in their hearts. They are silent, but each knows what is in the other's thought. On each man engraved the names of all executioners. They live for the day of reckoning, when truth shall return once more, and freedom renew her cry, calling the people of France to rise and sweep before them all the monuments and all the works of ancient and eternal despotism. From within the deep shadows of this present, watch the French people. Their leaders have mouthed the words of surrender, which find no echo in their hearts. They are silent, but each knows what is in the other's thoughts. They live only for the day of reckoning, when truth shall return once more, and freedom renew her cry,